How to recover Gmail account without two-step verification. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. After you've opened Gmail, at the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile. Now in here, click on Add Another Account. After you've clicked on Add Another Account, add your email and press on Next at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, after you've clicked on it, click on Forgot Password at the bottom left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on Forgot Password, you'll find this kind of screen. If you remember your last password, simply type in and you'll be able to recover. If not, click on Try Another Way at the bottom left. After you've clicked on it, verification mail will be sent to your another recovery email, or if you have logged in the account on this device previously, you will be signed in. And as you can see, I'm not able to sign in as this was not the device I used earlier. And this is a recovered Gmail account without two-step verification. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.